Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 12th, 2021. We thought we'll go ahead and give you all another price prediction for a particular stock that we cover here on this particular channel, which is ideanomics. The ticker symbol is iDEX. We felt as if many people may be trying to insinuate that this particular market is a buy, and we're going to show you according to the chart why that may not be the case. So if today is your first time ever viewing our content, you all can see how simple our price chart looks. We're giving you all a heads up as to where to expect prices to go. Then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification, because you always want to make sure you return back to our channel, because we're one of the only places that you will get a heads up as to where we are expecting the price to go, all without being confused. So now let's break this down real quick. As always, we show you all the play of what we talked about in our last video, and in this particular case for ideanomic, it was on February the 27th was the last time we did our price prediction in the market for this particular stock. And as you can see, we played the weakness into the market. Now as I zoom in, you can tell that initially the market for ideanomics kept some of the strength, but we got that ultimate TP price out into the market in ideanomics right there on March the 5th. We were already in position to expect that to occur. So we capitalized on that anticipated price movement way before anyone else saw that happen. This is one of the most powerful things that you all can have at your disposal, is to ensure that you are in position to win. This is what we do here on this particular channel. We predict, we profit, and we win in the market. So congratulations, 21, almost 22% profitability in that forecast. We're going to take that away. And now we're going to speak on what are we seeing into the market in ideanomics, right? As you can see, we were seeing the market in ideanomics hold this ascending trend, right? The market was following this ascending line, but we broke that right here around midpoint of March 2021. So we need to be under the premise and understanding that the market in ideanomics is no longer in a uptrend. So the best that we're going to get out the market right now in ideanomics is just for this market to trade sideways. And this is the restriction area in the market for ideanomics. All right, this is where the restriction area currently lies in the market for ideanomics. Right around $3.50 is where we're going to hold that restriction area into the market for ideanomics. And the support area in the market is right here around $2.50. All right. So we have a very tight range in which the market in ideanomics has been trading, which is not a negative nor a positive thing to see into the market. Actually, the market restriction might be around this vicinity here, around $2.40. So we're going to hold it there in the market for ideanomics. Okay, so this is it. This is the anticipated price range of where the market has just been bouncing in between two price levels, $3.50 for restriction and $2.38 for support. Now, this is the current environment. We need to anticipate where the market in ideanomics is going to go in the future, right? And currently, we are still in weakness. The market in ideanomics is not giving us any strength as of this particular moment. So why would you come in and try to purchase whenever the market drops? You will run out of your dry powder. The market has not found a bottom yet in ideanomics. We need to see the market bottom out before you'll come in and purchase more of these particular shares of this company, right? So when you look at this on a 3 weeks time frame, now this is where the majority of the weakness that I'm seeing. Okay, we got 3 days and 19 hours left. So literally, however we end out this week right here is going to be a major determinant factor as to whether or not we will break down or will we actually continue to see the market in ideanomics move higher in price. Keep your eyes open on the 3 weeks time frame. Okay, you guys can see here, March 31st was the last time we had earnings, and based off the recent price action, it wasn't positive. I mean, the demand into the market in ideanomics is just not here as of this particular moment. So how low can we really see the market in ideanomics go? Well, I'm here to tell you, based off the prior price history, it looks like support has to come in around $2.45, right there around our support area in the market. But I'm not seeing any indication that there are interests increasing for this particular stock in ideanomics. We have 17 days left on the monthly price chart for ideanomics, and the market is still here hinting at weakness. So in all actuality, the best thing that we're going to get in the market for ideanomics is sideways trading. Okay, so this is going to be our price prediction into the market for ideanomics. Real quick, I want to see how the market concluded on the hourly time frames. You guys can literally tell that we do have some continued weakness still here in the market for ideanomics, right? On the 11-hour time frame, you guys can still see here that the market is still weak. So I'm still looking for the market to come down here towards $2.60 to $2.40 in order to grab some support. The trap is going to try to hold the market right there. Now, it doesn't mean that we're out the woods though. He's going to try to hold the market there, but there's no guarantee that he'll be successful at it. Okay, so in this price prediction that we are going to create, we're going to expect the market to come towards $2.60 to $2.40, and then there we'll do another look at it to see whether or not he will hold the market there, or we'll continue to see the market in ideanomics continue to go lower and lower in price. Okay, so the trend is no longer in place. You guys can literally tell right here that the market trend in ideanomics is broken. We're not expecting the market to go up higher as of this particular moment, so expect us to do this. If anything, just continue to bounce in between these two lines. Right now, the further out in time you go, the bigger we see the weakness. Okay, the 2-day, the 3-day time frame, all is giving us anticipation of market weakness. All right, so let's do this on our daily time frame. We're going to go ahead and put a prediction on into the market for ideanomics, and we're going to go ahead and play the weakness here. The current area of restriction that we'll see is going to be right there around $3.16. Like I told you, we're looking for the market to come to 250 all the way back down here to around 238, which is 12.13% profitability into the market. Now granted, I'm telling you now, based off the bigger time frames, the 3 weeks, the weekly and the monthly time frames, that area will have to be watched. Okay, it will have to be watched because the weakness is still definite entrenched into this market for ideanomics. All right, so we're still anticipating some weakness to come through. We are in position. We got TP around $2.50 back down to around $2.40. And besides that, in the next 3 days and 14 hours, we'll definitely have a bigger idea if that weakness is going to continue further out in time. Okay, so right here, 3 days and 19 hours, we'll have a better answer as to whether or not the weakness will come through, or the market will actually prop itself up right around 250 to 240, and we'll start seeing the market consolidate once again. So that's the play. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in ideanomics. Now, as always, if you're going to be a part of our community, we want you all give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. So I want you to drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me where do you expect the market in ideanomics to go over the next 3 weeks. All right, tell me, where are we headed into the market in ideanomics? It's a lot of advice going on into the market on YouTube, especially of individuals telling you all to buy the dips where you have no idea as to where the market dip is going. And we're literally here to show you all that on these price charts. Okay, so let us know how low you think the market in ideanomics is going to go. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.